हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल फार्मा प्लेनेट। आज इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन ऑन मेजर ऑफ डिस्पर्जन, कोरिलेशन एंड मल्टीपल कोरिलेशन इन द सब्जेक्ट बायोस्टैटिस्टिक एंड रिसर्च मेथडोलॉजी। So first question over here, that is from the types of measure of dispersion. Question is, which is not type of variability? Option A, biological variability. Option B, random variability. Option C, real variability. And option D, experimental variability. The correct answer is B, random variability. Next question, which is not type of measure of dispersion? Option A, mean. B, range. Option C, mean absolute deviation. Option D, standard deviation. And option E, that is the quartile deviation. Or here the correct answer, that is answer A, mean. Mean is not type of measure of dispersion. Next question, what is the coefficient of range for the given data? Data is 8, 6, 7, 9, 12, 3, 15, 18, 5 and 6. Option A, 6. Option B, 15. Option C, that is 0.714. And option D, that is 21. You have to calculate it with the help of the calculator. Over here the correct answer is C, that is 0.714. Next question, find coefficient of mean deviation for 10, 20, 28, 34, 23 and 17. Here the option are 0.285, 0.287, 2.87 or option D, that is 8.27. Or here the correct answer is B, 0.287. Next question, the square of standard deviation is called option A, quartile deviation. Option B, mean absolute deviation. Option C, range. Or option D, variance. Or here the correct answer is D, that is the variance. The square of standard deviation is called variance. The next question, coefficient of variation is also known as coefficient of quartile deviation, standard deviation, relative standard deviation, or option D, coefficient of mean deviation. So over here the answer is C, relative standard deviation. Next question, the equation blank is equals to equation, that is under root x minus x bar square divided by n. ये equation किसके लिए है, that we have to find it out. A, coefficient of variation. B, that is the variance. C, coefficient of mean deviation. D, that is the standard deviation. Option E, correlation coefficient. So over here the correct answer is D. The equation, it stands for the standard deviation. Next question, what is standard deviation for the 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and 70? Option A, 20. Option B, 200. Option C, 400. Option D, 40. Or here the correct answer is answer A, that means 20. Next question, that is on a correlation. The value of correlation coefficient will vary from 0 to 1, minus 1 to plus 1, minus infinite to plus infinite, or minus 1 to 0. Or here the correct answer is B, that means minus 1 to plus 1. Next question, if the value of one variable is increased, then value of other variable also increases on an average, then the correlation said to be positive, true or false. Here the option A, that is true, option B, that is false. So the answer is the given sentence, that is true, that means option A is correct. The next question, if the value of one variable decreases, then the value of other variable decreases on an average, then the correlation said to be negative correlation, true or false. Option A, true. Option B, that is false. The correct answer is B, false. Then next question, the relationship between more than two variables is said to be simple correlation, random correlation, partial correlation or multiple correlation. The answer is D. Multiple correlation. Next, R is equals to 0 indicates a positive correlation between variable, a negative correlation between variable, no correlation between variable, or D. all of above. The correct answer is answer C. No correlation between variable. Next question. The figure, it indicates perfect positive correlation, perfect negative correlation, positive correlation, negative correlation, or the last option, that is none of above. Or here the correct answer is answer E, none of above. The next question, if the points are widely scattered in a graph, the correlation is said to be highly negative, negative, 0, or none of above. The correct is answer C, 0. Equation R is equals to sigma xy divided by under root sigma x square y square. It stands for Spearman's rank coefficient of correlation, quartile deviation, Karl Pearson's coefficient of correlation, or D. coefficient of concurrent deviation. Over here the correct answer is the equation, it stands for C. Karl Pearson's coefficient of correlation. Next question, which is the equation for the Spearman's rank coefficient of correlation? A. sigma xy divided by under root sigma x square y square. B. under root x minus x bar square divided by n. C. option C, L plus n divided by 2 minus Cf divided by f into I. And D. 1 minus 6 sigma d square divided by n in bracket n square minus 1 bracket complete. Or here the equation for the Spearman's rank coefficient of correlation is, correct answer is D, that means 1 minus 6 sigma d square divided by n in bracket n square minus 1 bracket complete. Next question, calculate coefficient of concurrent deviation for the following data. The data we have for x and y, we have the data x. For x we have the data 10, 15, 16, 18, 13, 12, 14, and for y 2, 6, 8, 10, 7, 11 and 9. So over here the option are A 0.1773, B 5.7735, option C 0.5773, or option D none of above. So over here you have to calculate this with the help of the calculator, you can count. Over here the correct answer is answer C, that means 0.5773. Now the next question that are on the multiple correlation. Multiple correlation के question है यहाँ पे. Multiple correlation is called perfect if R is option A closer to 0, option B closer to 1, option C 1, or option D 0. Or here the correct answer is option C, that is 1. The next question, that is a coefficient of multiple correlation lies between 0 and 1, minus 1 and 1, minus infinite and infinite. D, that is none of above. Over here the correct answer, that is option A, that is in between 0 and 1. So over here we discuss about the MCQ regarding the correlation, multiple correlation and measure of dispersion. यहाँ पे मेनली ये MCQ मैंने बनाए हैं गुजरात टेक्नोलॉजिकल यूनिवर्सिटी की जो एग्जामिनेशन है अभी 10 तारीख से स्टार्ट हो रही है उसके लिए. और अगर यहाँ पे MCQ के आंसर में अगर आपको कुछ गलत लग रहा है तो प्लीज़ राइट डाउन इन द कमेंट. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.